Hello, dear students. 12th Standard Maharashtra State Board English. My dear student, you have four novels this year, a new syllabus, and the first novel is History of Novel. Believe me, it is one of the really interesting topics that gives a great knowledge about the background of novel, how they just nourish, how they got upliftment, and how they were modified. Let me clear what is novel. Actually, no. Novel is a relatively long narrative fiction which describes intimate, means very close human experience, normally in a prose form. You know, novel, kadambari. Actually, this English word novel is derived from Italian novella, means new, my dear. Though novel in the modern era usually makes use of literary prose, actually, my dear, the earlier threads of genre can be found in Virgil's Eclogue or Melrose Marty the author or Geoffrey Chaucer's The Contemporary Tales. Correct? They are the reference. After that, Murasaki Sekabo Tale of Genji in 1010 has been supposed as the world's first novel. World's first novel, Tale of Genji by Murasaki Sekabo. After that, the European novel is said to be begin with Don Quixote by Spanish writer Miguel de Cervantes, which was published in two parts in 1605 and 1615. Correct? After 1740, novel originated as the literary form in England. Correct? Now we carry forward our discussion. The Pilgrim's Progress by John Bunyan and Orunku by Afra Bain initiated the plenteous and colorful tradition of English novel, which was followed by Daniel Defoe, that's Robinson Crusoe, Small Flounder, and Jonathan Swift's, world famous Gulliver Travels, a famous satire. Satire is means a literary term. Satire means criticism on any literary work or humorous way of criticizing people. Correct? Satire. Vidamban Kavya. Yes. Other major novelists of 18th century are Samuel Richardson, Pamela or Virtue Rewarded, Clarissa. Actually, both are epistolary novel. Henry Fielding, Lawrence Sterne, and Tobias Smollett. They belong to that era. Correct? So, dear, this belongs to the earlier tradition we are talking about. The tradition was enriched by many other great writers. You may have heard Charles Dickens, Walter Scott, Nathaniel Hawthorne, Horace Walpole, Thomas Hardy, Vicky Collins, S.G. Wells. They are the famous novelists of their time. Correct? Let me clear. The 20th century actually is marked by modern topics and innovative style, and it was widened angles of views by the novelists like E.M. Forster. You should know this name. James Joyce, Joseph Conrad, Henry James, George Orwell, Graham Greene, D.H. Lawrence, William, of course, Golding, Anthony Burgess. They are the great names of that era. And of course, they widened the circumference of the genre by writing political, social, psychological, and other modern issues in their novel. Now, in that, we'll take a list of some immigrant authors, who changed the country, who, because of certain reason. Let's see the list of immigrant authors. Do you understand the meaning of immigrants? Yes, who changed the country or just means go to another country. In that immigrant writers, there are some prominent names, authors like Salman Rushdie, India, V.S. Naipaul, Trinidad, Kazuo Ishiguro, Japan, and many others are in this list. Okay, my dear. So they are supposed to be the immigrants authors. Now let's move forward. Actually, in this condition, the contribution of women novelists to this great peasant cannot be neglected. The novel of Manners by Evelina by Frances Burney, Gothic novels by Anne Radcliffe, a novel based on science of the age. Frankenstein by Mary Shelley are some landmark novel. Correct? And we cannot forget Jane Austen, who has been ruling over the minds of people through her novel. But Brown's sister Emily and Charlotte have created their own place by their incomparable excellent work of The Wuthering Heights and Jane Eyre. Mary Ann Evans Elias, that's George Eliot, wrote novels reflecting psychological insight. Let's move forward. Virginia Woolf is supposed to be the pioneer of stream of consciousness. Please, you should remember this name. Virginia Woolf, pioneer of stream of consciousness technique in English novel. Agatha Christie created her own place by writing many novels based on crime. Hercule Poirot and Miss Marple, are some of the excellent evergreen detectives created by her, Agatha Christie. Correct? So, they belong to that one. Now, let's move forward in that case. Rajmohan's Wife by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. If we think about Indian scenario, we have to mention Rajmohan's Wife by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay, not Chatterjee, Chattopadhyay, wrote The Indian Field, and it is supposed to be the first novel in English written by an Indian. Which one? Rajmohan's Wife by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. She relies in The Indian Field. First novel written by by an Indian in English. Yes, please know this one. It is exactly the period after that is marked by a few more novels written by Indian writers. And if you remember, if you think, there are many great names are there. Mulraj Anand, R.K. Narayan, Raja Rao. They also prevail this tradition. We have to mention some great names like Anita Desai, Nayanthara Sehgal, Arun Joshi, Manohar Malegaonkar. They are also famous, some Indian names are there. Correct? So, we can't forget Amitav Ghosh, Vikram Seth, Upamanyu Chatterjee. They are also pioneer in this case. And some Indian novelists like Salman Rushdie, Arvind Adhia, Arundhati Roy, Kiran Desai and Kiran Nagarkar continue the tradition of novel. So, let's move. Now, novella, this word is originated from Italian word novelli, which is a type of prose fiction which is shorter than full-length novel and of course longer than short stories. It is in between short story and novel. Not big as novel and not as short as short story. It is a well-structured but narrative and often satiric or realistic in tone, focusing on one incident or one issue with one or two main characters. Novella, correct? It focuses on one incident actually or one issue with one or two characters and take place at a single tradition. Let's see, some famous novellas are there. In that one, we have to mention Henry James, The Turn of Screw. We can't avoid Herman's Melville, Billy Bird. We have to mention Thomas Mann's Death in Venice. We have to surely mention Saul Bellows' Seize the Day and John Steinbeck's Pearl. They are the prominent cases from this novella. And one more by Joseph Conrad, The Heart of Darkness. It is not mentioned here, but remember that one. Okay, so after that, let's see. We are moving to elements of novel or novella. This is very important for you. Elements of novel or novella. We are going for that. So actually there are 6 elements essential of novel or novella, and all these factors, they play a great role. The first factor is theme. What is theme? Theme is the actually central idea in the novel which can be expressed in a nutshell. Nutshell means short. It's a philosophical statement actually, or truth which the writer has to put forward. Second is plot. What is plot? Plot is actually the essentially the story or the course of event that make up the theme. Course of events. Plot. It is created by the conflict either by internal or maybe external factors. Internal inside the mind of character and external with other character or entities. The plot may be simple, maybe it's one plot or may it consist of many subplots also. So in short, plot means story. That is also very important. Now let's move to character. You know, characterization of the plot, actually it's related to the plot as the course of event take place because of certain behavior of characters, patra in our language. Depiction of character can range from thumbnail sketch to deep one. And of course, the reader follows the actions of one main character throughout the novel. The main character is called protagonist. The main character, hero, protagonist, main character, who is in conflict with character or that is villain, internal, external, which is also known as antagonist. So protagonist for, of course, main character, and with whom conflicts, who conflict with the another character, that is called antagonist. If we think of setting, actually it is the background in which the story takes place. Setting, correct? There are several aspects of setting. It may include place, period, time, climate, weather, lifestyle, etc. Conflict, sangarsha. The struggle between opposite force in the story is called conflict, which provide interest and curiosity about the plot. Story, if you ever see movie, if conflict is there, the story takes a turn. So here also conflict is a great part. Let's move to language or style. The author uses, language and technique for the narration of the course of event, which is also known as style. Correct? The language and the technique used by author for the narration of the course of event is known as style. Okay, my dear? So, they are the very important part, elements of certain novel or novella. First is theme, plot, character, setting, conflict, language or style. They play a very graceful role in the development of novel. Now come to the last part of this section, types of novel. Types of novel. First is realistic novel. Types of novel. Realistic novel. First one, what is realistic novel? Actually, it is a fiction that gives the effect of realism. Sometimes this is also called as novel of manner. Realism, Vastavadi, realistic novel. Second is picaresque novel. See, second is picaresque novel. Actually, this word is picaresque. Word is originated Spanish, from Spanish, means picaro, from Spanish word picaro, which means rogue. Rogue means dishonest, badmash. Here in this novel, it narrates the adventure of the protagonist. यहाँ पे जो protagonist होता है ना, that is eccentric, थोड़ा सा sunky in our language, or disreputable person. Yes, in this novel. Okay. Next, come to historic novel. It's very simple. Is a novel set in a period earlier than that of writing. Aesthetic novel in our language. Historical. Let's move to epistolary novel. Let me clear what is epistolary means. Actually, it's a Latin word. Epistola means letter. Here, the epistolary novel is the one in which the writer presents the narrative thought through a series of correspondence or other documents. Letter are the most common basis for such novel. Letters. Diary entries are a popular form of this type. Yes. Gothic novel. Such novel include terror, mystery, horror, thriller, some supernatural, death, decay, haunted, haunted buildings. You might have seen such type in movies, and they are called as Gothic novels. Correct? Now, very popular autobiographical novel, Atmacharitra. It is a novel based on the life of the author. The author narrates his own experience. Autobiographical novel. To Serve with Love, if you remember. Correct? Here author changes the place, names of character, or keep the same name. It may or may not be in the first person, my dear. Depends on that author. Now, allegorical novel. Let me clear what is allegory. Allegory actually is a story that bears more than one level of meaning. Allegory. Here the surface meaning of such novel is different from symbolic meaning. Symbolic meaning of Allegory may be political, religious, historical, or philosophical. Correct? Allegory. It bear more than one level of meaning, surface meaning and symbolic meaning. Correct? Now let's move to utopian or dystopian novel. Utopia, imaginary community, imaginary novel, society that is not existed but possessing ideal qualities. It's a common little term, especially you might have seen in science fiction or speculative or unreal fiction. Imaginary, kalpanik, that's a community is not existed. Now, very popular psychological novel. It is the work of fiction that treat the internal life of protagonist or even the other character as much as the external factor, psychological. Stream of consciousness novel, next type. It's a phrase coined by William James in his treatise Principle of Psychology. It's a phrase used by William James. It means flow of thoughts. Flow of thoughts. Incidents in the plot are a sequence of their occurrence. The novelist narrates them as they enter the mind of character. Correct. Now last is Bildungsroman novel. Bildungsroman novel. It's a new one. It's a German word actually that indicates growth. Actually, the fictional biography or autobiography is concerned with the growth of protagonist or main character mind, spirit, characters from their childhood to adulthood. It's a German word, Bildungsroman, which indicate growth. It's concerned with the growth of main character mind, spirit, character from their childhood to adulthood. So, dear student, they are the types of novel, and of course, this is a very popular one. Nowadays, you might have seen novel is taking the control of people's mind. In that one, variety of you might have seen, we observe or we read different types of novel. Okay. So, dear, I hope that you must have liked it. This is the complete summary of this novel. Not novel, complete summary of this chapter, history of novel. I hope that you may have understood that because I have accumulated main points. I am sure these points will be helpful to you. So, best of luck for your exam. Please make use of these points. Here, names are many. You have to read 3-4 times so that you will remember the name. Okay, dear. So, please read the textbook carefully to clear concepts. Thank you. Best of luck. Please subscribe our channel for such videos. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye. Best of luck.